Here's how to connect the Terabox bot to your Telegram so you can download videos and files quickly and safely. Start by opening the Telegram app on your phone or computer. Once you're in, go to the search bar at the top and type Terabox video. You should see a channel appear in the search results. Tap on it and then join the channel so you can access all the shared links and updates. Next, return to the search bar and type Terabox bot. Look for the bot that's clearly labeled as the official Terabox bot. When you see it, tap to open the chat window. From there, press the start button to activate the bot. This only takes a second, and once it's active, the bot is ready to process your links at any time. Now that everything is set up, you can paste any Terabox video link directly into the chat with the bot. As soon as you send it, the bot will automatically detect the link and generate a download message for you. From there, you can grab the file easily without needing to open extra apps or deal with multiple steps. It's a simple and fast way to manage your Terabox content, especially if you download often or want a more convenient workflow.